Novelty Lights LED C7 Pure White bulb is a 0.5 watt dimmable ultra bright replacement bulb. The bulb is 2 1/4 inches tall by 1 inch wide and has an E12 base which is made of nickel to prevent corrosion. Our LED C7 bulbs are sold in packs of 25 and are rated for indoor and outdoor use. These bulbs are available in numerous colors and can be used with any of our 25 or 100 foot C7 strings and our commercial grade bulk spools. Our LEDs do not create any heat, are resistant to vibration, and will not chip or break. Use these durable C7 bulbs to decorate your house, business, or holiday displays. With a 50,000 hour bulb life and a 3-season warranty, these LEDs will provide years of hassle-free use.